Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question coin change. Okay, so let me explain with this example. Coins are 1 to 5 and the amount equal 5. So there are several ways to create amount with coins and we need to find a minimum number of coins to make up amount. So this is my rule of thumbs. When we have many ways to do something and find a minimum or maximum number of something, so there is a possibility that that question is solved by dynamic programming. So I'll explain how to solve this question by dynamic programming. And first of all, I create array for dynamic programming. And we use each index number as amount. So that means index 1 means amount 1. Index 5 is amount 5. So we will keep minimum number of coins to make up each amount. So we initialize each value with 6. So which is a amount plus 1. So you can put any number greater than amount or negative number such as -1, I mean impossible number. So in the end, if we still have 6, that means we didn't find the combination to make up the target amount. So return -1 in that case. So at index 0, I put 0 as a value because to make up amount 0, we don't need any coins. So we can start from index 1, I mean amount 1. So let's see one by one. At index 1, we try to create the amount 1 with the coins and check all possible combinations and find the minimum number of coins. If we use coin 1 to make up amount 1, what amount should we have before we use 1 coin 1? It's 0, right? So formula is current amount minus current value of coin, so 1. So in this case, check amount 0, I mean index 0. So how many coins do we use to make up amount 0? It's 0, right? So we don't need any coins to make up amount 0. No wonder. So that's why total coins to make up amount 1 this time should be 0 plus 1, right? 1 coin 1, right? So that's why we need a 1 coin to make up amount 1 this time. And the current minimum coin is 6. So this is the initial value. So we compare this 6 versus the number of minimum number of coin this time. So that is 1, right? So 6 versus 1. So which is a minimum? Definitely 1 coin, right? So that's why update index 1 with 1. And then next we have coin 2. But definitely we cannot create amount 1 with coin 2, right? Because coin 2 is bigger than amount 1. So same reason for coin 5, right? So that's why we don't update index 1 anymore. So minimum number of coin to make up amount 1 with these coins should be 1 coin. I mean 1 coin 1. So looks good. And so we skip coin 2, coin 5 in this case. So that's why before we update array, so we should check if current amount, so let's say I minus current value of coin, so let's say C, is greater than or equal 0. So in that case, it's time to update dynamic programming array. Okay, so and then move next. So we do the same thing. So this time we will create amount 2 with these coins. So check all possible pairs. I mean, all possible combination. Um, and so first of all, we use coin 1 this time. So first of all, check this condition. And the amount is now 2 minus 1 is 1, right? So we meet this condition. So it's time to update array. So current value of coin is 1 and the current amount is 2. So that's why before we use coin 1, we need amount 1, right? So that's why 2 minus 1 is 1. So check index 1. And so we have minimum number of coins to make up 1 with these coins. So that's why we need to use this 1 coin. I think coin 1. And then we use coin 1 this time. So that's why total coin should be 1 plus 1. So that is 2. And the current minimum coins should be 6. So 6 versus 2. So which is minimum 2, right? So that's why update index 2 with 2. And then move next. So we have coin 2. And the current amount is 2. So check this condition. Current amount is 2 minus current value of coin is 2. So that is 0, right? We meet this condition. So we can update array. And current minimum is 2. And this time we use coin 2. So if we use coin 2, and what amount should we have before we use 1 coin 2? So 0, right? So formula is current amount minus current value of coin 2. So we should check index 0. And to make up amount 0, we don't need coin, right? So that's why we put 0 here. So if we use coin 2 this time, to make up amount 2, we need only 1 coin. So formula is 0 plus 1 coin this time. And then current minimum is 2. And if we use coin 2, we need only 1 coin. So 2 versus 1, which is minimum, definitely 1 coin, right? So that's why update index 2 with 1. And then move next. And coin 5. So we cannot create amount 2 with coin 5, right? So that's why we skip. So we can skip with this formula. So 2 minus 5 is minus 3, right? So we don't meet this condition. So we can skip algorithm. And then we finish amount 2. So it turns out we need only 1 coin, I think coin 2, to make up amount 2. And then move next. So we try to create amount 3. And we do the same thing. So first of all, we use coin 1. So in this case, current amount is 3 minus current value of coin is 1. So that is 2, right? So we meet this condition. So we can update array. And the current minimum is 6. And if we use coin 1 this time, so we should have amount 2, right? 3 minus 1. So look at the index 2. And to make up amount 2, minimum coin should be 1. So 1 coin 2. So if we use coin 1 this time, so to make up amount 3, we need a 2 coin, right? 1 plus 1 coin this time. So total 2. I think 2 plus 1, right? So 2 coins versus 6 coins. So which is a minimum? 2 coins, right? So that's why update 6 with 2. And then move next. So we use coin 2. So current amount is 3 minus current value of coin is 2. So 2. So that is 1, right? So we meet this condition. So we can update array. And so current minimum is 2. And we use coin 2 this time. So what amount do we need? So 1, right? So amount 3 minus current value of coin 2. So that's why look at the index 1. So to make up amount 1, so we use 1 coin. So that's why we need this minimum number of coin to make up 3. So that's why 1 plus 1. So 1 coin 2 this time. So total 2, right? I think we need a coin 1 for amount 1 and add coin 2 this time. So that's why total 2, right? And the current minimum coin to make up 3 is 2. So 2 versus 2, they are same. So we don't update these two, still 2. And then move next, we find coin 5, and we cannot create amount 3 with coin 5, right? So we don't meet this condition. 3 minus 5, that is minus 2. So that's why we skip. And then move next. So let's create amount 4, and I'll speed up. And first of all, 4 minus 1, and we meet this condition. And if we use coin 1 this time, so we need amount 3, right? 4 minus 1, and look at 3. And to make up amount 3, we need 2 coins. So that's why if we use coin 1 this time, we need this coin, right? So that's why 2 plus 1 coin this time. So total 3. 3 coins versus 6 coins, and 3 is a minimum. So update 6 with 3. And then move next. So we use coin 2, and we need this condition, right? 4 minus 2 is 2. And then if we use coin 2 this time, so we need amount 2. So 4 minus 2. And look at the index 2. And to make up amount 2, we need a 1 coin. I think 1 coin 2. And then we use coin 2 this time. So 2 coin 2. So that means 1 plus 1 this time. So total 2 coins to make up 4. And the current minimum coins are is 3. So 3 versus 2 coins. And 2 coins are minimum, right? So update index 4 with 2. And then move next, coin 5. And we cannot create the amount 4 with coin 5. So 4 minus 5 and minus 1. So we skip. And then move next. So finally, target amount. So we do the same thing. So if we use coin 1 this time, 5 minus 1 is 4, right? So we meet this condition. So we can update array. And 5 minus current value of coin is 1. So we need a 4 amount. And then we need 2 coins to make up amount 4. So, and then we use this coin this time. So that's why 2 plus 1 coin and 3. So update index 5 with 3 coins. And then move next. If we use coin 2 this time, and we meet this condition, right? 5 minus 2 equals 3. And then we need amount 3, right? To use coin 2. So 5 minus 2, and look at the index 3, and we need 2 coin to make up amount 3. So that's why we need these 2 coin, plus we use this coin, plus 1, so total 3. And 3 versus 3, they are same. We don't update index 5. And then we use coin 5. So in this case, 5 minus 5 equals 0, right? So we meet this condition, so we can update array. And this time, so amount is 5, and current value of coin is 5. So what amount do we need? 0 amount, right? So formula is 5 minus 5. And look at the index 0, and to make up amount 0, we don't need coin, right? So that's why we put 0 here. And so 0 plus, we use coin 5 this time. So 0 plus 1 equal 1. So we need a 1 coin to make up 5, only coin 5, right? So current minimum is 3. And this time we only need 1 coin. So 3 versus 1. So which is minimum? 1, right? So that's why update index 5 with 1. And then finish iteration. And the important thing is that we check last value of array. And then if last value is 6, that means we didn't find a combination to make up target amount, in this case 5. But now we have 1, so different from 6, right? So that means this one is a minimum number of coin to make up target amount, so 5. So obviously we have coin 5, right? So that's why we need only 1 coin. So in this case, we should return 1. Yeah, so that is a basic idea to solve this question. So let's jump into the code. Okay, so let's write the code. First of all, create a min coins, and initial value should be amount plus 1. So you can put any number greater than amount number. So I put plus 1. So you can put like an infinity or something. And then length should be amount plus 1. That's because index number usually start from 0, right? So that's why we need a plus 1. And then first of all, min coins So we use a index number as an amount. So amount 0 should be 0 coin, right? So that's why I put 0 here. And then start iteration. So for I, so this is each amount in range. And then we can start from index 1 to amount plus 1. And for each amount, we check all coins. So that's why we need a one more for loop for C in coins. And then, as I told you, if current amount minus current coin is greater than or equal 0, it's time to update. So min coins, so current amount should be I equal min, and we use this as a first value, and the other is, so we use a new coin, right? So that's why 1 plus, so we have to check previous result. So that should be like a min coins and the current amount minus current coin. And then update the min coins, and after that return min coins, and we need a last value, so minus 1. If min coins minus 1 is not equal amount plus 1, and else minus 1. Oops, minus 1. Yeah, so let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of A multiplied C, where A is the number of amount and C is the number of coins. And the space complexity is order of A. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. Please support me with your actions such as comment and hitting like button. I'll see you in the next question.